Welcome to our video on the top 5 gaming keyboards. A good keyboard is crucial for gaming performance and overall experience. These keyboards will provide comfort, team up with your natural gaming skills, and have an appealing design. We found the best options for both casual and hardcore gamers. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and turn on the notification bell for future updates. Let's get into it. First off, at number 5, we have Hexteur's Impulse. The Hexteur's Impulse is a great choice for gamers who prioritize typing performance. This water-resistant pudding-capped mechanical keyboard is affordably priced at $89.99 and offers a unique typing experience with its Kale box white switches, surpassing even IBM Style and Cherry MX Blue or Razer Green switch keyboards. The keycaps on the Impulse are not common, and while they don't give any performance advantage, they do make the keyboard extremely bright when lit up, giving it a striking look when you customize the lighting to your preference. The keyboard also features per-key customizable lighting modes with full RGB lighting, so you can customize it to your exact preference as far as lighting goes. With this model, Hexteur's made the bold choice of putting a blue-style switch under the spacebar only, arguing that the largest key, which most people hit with their thumbs, should be a bit stiffer. As a result, typing on the Impulse is much more enjoyable than on other keyboards with white switches under every key, including the spacebar. Additionally, the updated version of this keyboard adds hot-swappable capability, which means it's easy to remove its mechanical switches and try out different options without needing to use a soldering iron. This feature makes it easy for users to customize the typing experience according to their preferences. In summary, the Hexteur's Impulse is a great choice for gamers who prioritize typing performance and want a keyboard that is easy to customize. With its water-resistant design, pudding-capped keycaps, and customizable RGB lighting, this keyboard offers a unique and enjoyable typing experience. And with its hot-swappable capability, users can easily customize the switches to their liking. At its price point, the Hexteur's Impulse is definitely worth considering. Next, on number 4, we have Keychron K2, a wireless gaming keyboard that redefines affordability. Priced at just $69, this keyboard offers great value for its price, with a decent-sized gaming keyboard and great wireless functionality. It comes with Gateron mechanical switches, which make it smooth to type on and responsive to your commands. The build quality is impressive, and its triple device connectivity makes it easy to switch between devices or locations throughout the day. Although it may feel like a cheap keyboard at times, the Keychron K2 still offers impressive features for its price point. The switches may not be the best of the market, but they still provide a decent typing experience. This keyboard is perfect for those who are looking for an entry-level mechanical keyboard and for those who are working from home and using multiple devices. Moving on, number 3, we have the Patriot Viper V765, a gaming keyboard that stands out from the rest. This keyboard comes with Kale box white switches, which actuate faster than regular blue or green switches, thanks to their slightly reduced travel, 3.6mm versus 4mm. The keys are incredibly responsive and make a pleasant click sound that you won't find on other keyboards. The switches alone make the Viper V765 worth buying, but it's also a great-looking peripheral. The Viper V765 is a fully mechanical keyboard with Kale box switches and an impressive IP56 rating. The switches provide the ultimate protection from dust and moisture, while the crisp, tactile clickiness and precise actuation make for a fast and responsive typing experience. The keyboard also comes with a removable magnetic palm rest that is optimized for maximum support and comfort during your intense gaming marathons. The keyboard has an aluminum top surface with tapered edges that give it a sleek and futuristic look. The vibrant RGB keys offer dozens of different light combinations, as well as the ability to create your own color patterns. And you don't even need to install software to use most of the RGB effects. The Viper V765 also has media keys and IP56 water and dust resistance, which are often reserved for pricier keyboards. Up next on number 2, we have G-Skill KM360, Looking for a budget-friendly gaming keyboard with classic Cherry MX red linear switches? Look no further than the G-Skill TM360. In a market where $200 plus gaming keyboards are becoming more common, the G-Skill TM360 offers a quality mechanical switch option at a more reasonable price. It features the classic Cherry MX red linear switch, which is known for its smooth and responsive typing experience. The TM360 may not have the RGB lighting options that many gamers look for, but it makes up for it with its bright white LEDs, which are some of the brightest on the market. The TKL board is basic, but it is solid, well-built, reliable, and looks pretty decent. It doesn't have a wrist rest, pass-through, or media controls, but it makes up for it with its affordable functionality. If you're looking for a budget-friendly gaming keyboard with classic Cherry MX red linear switches, the G-Skill TM360 is a great option. It may not have the bells and whistles of more expensive models, but it offers reliable and responsive typing at an affordable price. Lastly, on number 1, we have HyperX Alloy Origins, the best gaming keyboard for mainstream gamers who want a sleek, solid, compact, and colorful package that feels great while letting them get down to gaming. Priced at $110, this keyboard offers great value for its price, with a comfortable and premium look and feel. The keys, frame, and vibrant RGB lighting all contribute to the keyboard's high-quality look and feel. The HyperX Alloy Origins comes with linear red switches, which are familiar to most gamers. There's also a clickier version with HyperX Aqua switches, which is available on Amazon and HyperX's store. The keyboard's bottom shell is one curved-edge, cool-feeling piece of aluminum, just like the top, which helps lend the keyboard a very premium and solid feel. The feet at the back of the Alloy Origins can be flipped up to 2 different heights, letting you adjust the angle to 3 different positions, the third with the feet flipped down, to whatever feels right for you. While the Alloy Origins doesn't have some of the luxuries found in more expensive gaming keyboards, like media control buttons or a USB pass-through port, it excels in what it does offer. For mainstream gamers who want a high-quality, solid, and compact gaming keyboard, the HyperX Alloy Origins is a great choice. It may not have all the features, but what it does offer, it executes excellently. And that concludes our list of the top 5 gaming keyboards on the market today. We hope you found our video informative and helpful in your search for the perfect gaming keyboard. If you liked our video, please hit the like button. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more gaming reviews and news. We love hearing from our viewers, so please leave your thoughts and comments in the section below. Thanks for tuning in, and we can't wait to bring you more content in the future. Until then, take care.